Alright guys, we got this old Emerson microwave here. I'm going to scrap today. I'll tell you the easy way to scrap something. I dropped the 4 screws in the bottom, which would be right there. Then it's got them tamper-proof screws on it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, hit it with my hammer. Notice how the side comes right off like that. See how my thing's already coming out. Got that up. Now I'm going to cut that out and we'll see what we get. And then I'm going to smash this front off too like this. See if there's any silver in here. Let's check the silver content of this beast, hey guys? Gotta be some silver in here. Where in the frig is it? Damn it. Alright, we're gonna smash her good. Supposed to be some silver ski. Check. Get up underneath this piece. I'm gonna pull that off and we'll see what kind of silver ski we get, guys. Alright guys, there it is right there. We got some silver in this microwave. Silver Malar or some shit. Not too sure. Moose Scrapper knows what it is, but yep, finally got me some silver. Look at that. Now I'm going to tear the rest of this microwave apart. Get this fella right out. I'm going to take my snips. Right up in there. So I don't get zapped. This shit holds a charge. Be careful about that. But I'll take my hammer, ski, smack that motor right there. Pop out like that. Boom. A little bit of copper there. Electric down here. Right there. Some aluminum and shit in there, but yeah, that's about it out of this beast. Sell them plates too. Savage does that, but yep, another microwave down.